Right. I was done making videos for today, but I've got an interesting question, and I've got 5 minutes, so I might as well answer. Question was how to learn Arabic with videos and memorizing vocabulary phonetically if the videos, the subtitles of the videos are also in Arabic script. Yeah, this is a problem. How do you learn? How do you learn this phonetically? Well, you come here, show transcript, and you've got all this text. Then the only thing you have to do is copy it and paste it either on Google Translate, and below you'll get it. You'll get the Arabic text, and below you'll get it written phonetically, or you can paste it in ChatGPT as well and ask ChatGPT to write it phonetically using our alphabet. And there you go. Then you just have to memorize the words with associations. It won't be super accurate, the pronunciation, because obviously Arabic is not a language that you normally use with our writing system. So your pronunciation will be off at first if you do that. But that's why you have to also do a lot of listening. Yeah, so you memorize all the words with associations, then you watch the video, you recognize some of them, some others will sound a little bit different from what you thought when you were memorizing them. But if you keep repeating this process, yeah, you memorize the words from the transcript phonetically, um, and then you listen to it, you'll understand more and more words the more you do it. And eventually, even when you're doing it phonetically, you'll start thinking, you'll figure out how the Arabic pronunciation works. You'll see the words written like a K, H, something, and you'll be like, that's ha, and your brain will associate the Arabic sounds with how it's written. It will be written in a weird way for us because normally you don't, those combinations of letters don't exist in, well, at least in my language and in most of the languages I speak, right? So, and there are a lot of sounds that we don't uh, that we don't have in other languages, but this in my languages. But the more you see those words, you memorize them, and then you see those words again, and you're also getting clues here. So if you memorize possible, which I don't know how to say, you know what it looks like in text, and it might be hard to recognize when she says it because it sounds different from what you imagined it would sound like, but then you know she's going to say possible, so you might be able to figure out, oh, okay, that's the difference in pronunciation from what I thought from the text to how they actually say it. Yeah. Basically, but that's basically it. You make a phonetic transcript of this with ChatGPT or Google Translate, and you memorize all the vocab with associations, and then you watch the video, and then you do it with the next video and another one until you understand everything, and that's it.